bikomanya seka ngo kwanira kirangi ekyo boyigo kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingi yakerage kirangi chiga niko kire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata kirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boyigo kiriya chia mache inyoranga kirangi chiga niko kire korwase kire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriyabantu abati boyigo imeya uru superstore nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya kirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yigaya uru superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use kire kibyasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumigite kirangi cha crown paints eduke yigaya uru superstores yego tokase enyumba ya uru complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona. Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Jumaine yechitariki Ibere mutenyo kianda mwaka w'ikiri 2025 nigo cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona umugaso moncho murigereria Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yobwenge kuri gitase ni kya Getembe njengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga crossence meria yo muntu abo imanyerire tore na Reveni Nyaboke kuri studio ya kabiri Mark Wills kabana intoweka omwerio yamateyemo korwa ensemo ya amabuko nigere imeyo musunte kubatkana no mwana obo ase Donald Marita oyore no borema ase obongo bwaye korwa inka ewiki yaita ase batemire kumorigia korende taranyorekana korengana nangina gosma omwabo nigo airere buna nigo Donald asogete kuchikanisa na taira nitego chia sobo ase basabire ondo bwensi oramora ake oroboti ase gitasini kyabanyanyimbo gose abatembe eri banyare komonyora
Kuyunes ke muntu Marita injengina umwana oyo omise dikoruga iga Donald masoti Marita akanyora nabukire kumubuli nakingonyorero ngoli agantebe yango cyane gaika kuchimorogoba taji chabaka sambiri tajiti ono sambiri tari wetani gachiwika saa 3 ganyora mwana itayo ngwake simise ito ganyora tayo ono gachikubwati ganyora erijimapiri nagendete kanisa akaturiki mabukorogora naenda akarwora akaende nyange yarenge bogeje ono kurwabu nachikomonyola sakolete kiondeta yonte beti sachiete kurwabu ngasa kumuligi Jumaine Jumatano nkagenda ibacho ngake riboti ngaye wobi ngacha keronacha na murigiri imbwato mondo ebintu ebinge ebisare gete kireke mo gete neine ekiagera ngoboka mambi neira na marogoba omwana omokanti gerete gana onera gusuko tisati mwamu yekore bwate ebibungo bitatu rongi abegete rongi dark green na ibikoro tabegete chopeni ejicha sandake lakini nene konya chasire koera
omwana yatoge aira ndo chanka nonde bwansi omoroje sale no nguje skimurugoro gai nabagotomutebye sale egera omwana era nengaga ntonye gutwara omondo
Togo tigana na Yugostogos kabosio mugavana bwe county ya Bomet omoske Hilary Parshok na boigo mugavana mukoro bwe county ya Bungoma omoske Wycliffe Wangamati n'abantu bande 10 nigo baike obusio bwe kigambiro kya milimani omocho Nairobi mambya yeritko rero ase amamocho yobo 10 na boigo botumeke bobe bwe cyabise Wangamati na bande bamuhabo nigebe yigetie cyabise kinene cyo gotko bokrumi cya EACC omocho Nairobi ritko ria igoro na gotukwa bosio bogoikiwa ase kigambiro ritko ria rero ase boigo baba gosomero amamocha abo korende nigo baba bakoyakana.
As well as Section 127 of the Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act of 2015, particularly of the Defense Act, between 1st November 2019 and 30th March 2020 in Hama County, within the Republic of Kenya, being a private limited company and the directors thereof respectively engaged in a fraudulent practice in procurement by submitting false documents with tender letter dated 25th November 2019, County Government of Mombasa Certificate of Practical Completion dated 14th July 2018, and Local Service Order number 129-43 dated 8th October 2017 in support of the bid by Mundesi Constructors Limited in tender number BGN/CMT1/RPW/RMLF/OT/016/2020-2021 Sport Improvement Transwest Wambo Road. Mundesi Constructors Toronto, Edward Mahaya Toronto, Bramoli Bukewa Toronto. Comes number 11. Acquisition of proceeds of crime contrary to Section 4A as well as Section 16 of the Proceeds of Crime and Money Laundering Act, Chapter 59A, particulars of the Offense Act. Mundesi Constructors, Edward Mahaya Bramoli Bukewa Wafula, between 9th July 2020 and 4th September 2021 within the Republic of Kenya, being a private limited company and the directors and shareholders of Mundesi Contractors Limited, respectively record a sum of Kenya shilling 8,324,679 shillings and 50 cents in the cooperative bank account number 0114744747500 in the name of Mundesi Contractors Limited from the Central Bank Development Account number 1000170921 in the name of County Government of Bungoma, there is known that they paid money from proceeds of crime.
Barasa ya bagavana nigo ya mochire wizara yekigancho gya serikali egotinonere moske John Ng'ong'ombadi kubwatikana no gochakiwa kwa murobiri o procurement goseko gore bintu gwetira chinchiro chekerero asabatebire nigo omurobiri yu ochagetiwe na nigo obwate michando aseboigo ogochanda chinsemo chingencho che serikali barasa yu nigo yatebire omurobiri yu nigo ochagetiwa ase county sato na nigo oretire omochando aso kugora ebintu anene mono ase sector yobocheno.
Mandatory rollout of the Electronic Government Procurement System, EGP, as directed by National Treasury. We note with concern that the rollout was hasty, marred with inconsistencies, and has disrupted service delivery in counties. Only 3 counties participated in the pilot. Yet the system was enforced nationally before the gaps identified by the piloting process. In fact, I want to confirm that it has even failed in the counties in which it was piloted. It's not working. There is a lack of adequate sensitization and training, and this has paralyzed procurement processes, particularly in critical sectors such as health. The EGPay system, as currently implemented, undermines the distinct status of county governments as provided in the Constitution. We therefore call on the National Treasury.
Mwaziri wobochenu omoske adendware nigo aigeti chifairi eribweyemo emyeyemo 53 kose 1188 echo chiarengino bosaiti bobokurumi asomorobirio bobobenyosha bosio bo kiombe kyogotuka bosare gya DCI eriogotukwa ase oboine gokwana kero aina nete chifaire echo nigo atete chinyagitari 53 go 75 nigo chiasie kina boigo echinde nchigenderete gotukwa na nigo chibekwe ause nigo chirache kobeko tenene na gwakanira ase obosari obo.
The Social Health Authority, SHA, and the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council has today submitted a total of 1,188 files. This action targets fraudulent and non-compliant healthcare facilities and individuals. Any facility, any doctor, or any patient involved in fraud is now under the jurisdiction of our criminal justice system. And these facilities are categorized into 3. Category 1 are 24 facilities. The cases, which are the cases with concluded evidence of fraud. So these 24 facilities, forensic audits have been done, the system evidence is being provided, and it's complete.
Every person, groups of people involved in the fraud against healthcare services are brought to book and they have their day before the courts of law.
This exercise will be taken very, very seriously. We shall investigate the matter very, very promptly and make sure that all the culprits are identified and prosecuted.
Perpetrators, be they facility owners, or doctors, or patients, face the full force of
Kiombe giokorigereria oboene na maganio ya boro kia which skuru choboroso kianat nigo kiarurege kuregetinde gochase kiombe giokobalika aboro kia giatesi gotiga gotumeka abana siasa ase moroberio bokobalika aboro kia abaya ase bikaro byage siasa byokoro chinsemo ao wetera omokonyi bomunyakirogo bwekiombe kio asireta marela ngat nigo giatebire osegwetera abana siasa nigo moroberio yo bokobalika aborokia onyorire oborema ase ng'enchoni gabana siasa abo babeire bagosonana.
Na kama chama tunasema walimu wapewe nafasi, waajiriwe, kusiwe na ile ubakuzi ambao ilikuwa imetokea ili ya kisiasa. Wanasiasa walikuwa wameingilia kiasi ya kwamba wanaenda wanatoa barua huku alafu wanauza wao wenyewe. Hiyo ndio hatutaki. Wakati huu tumeambia Teacher Service Commission, we have a new CEO anaitwa Mitei, Evelyn Mitei, ya kwamba kusiwe na mambo kama hayo.
We are only talking about the issues of hardship allowances for our teachers. That one should not be touched by the Teacher Service Commission. And so far we thank the Teacher Service Commission and the government for having complied to that. But as the NAT Executive Secretary Olkejuado, I still want to reinstate that the hard to staff areas that were earlier on reviewed by TSC should also be reinstated back and affirmative action implemented fully.
Wancho murigereria nara yokore kiunga Chinsa Isano na Ibere nchira yo bwenge ikome ningira nega iga gosentuira nega iga tokoretera yo mona yande twaro burigerira burobia.
Uhuru Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone